The question says, a radioactive substance has a half-life of 80 days. That's the half-life. That means after every 80 days, it will reduce by half. After every 80 days, it will reduce by half. If the initial amount of atoms in the sample is this is the initial amount. So I'm going to start with 6.0 times 10 to the power minus 10. How many atoms will remain at the end of 320 days? The half-life is 80 days. But we want to find how many will remain after 320 days. If you notice, 320 days is simply 3 half-lives. Is it 3 or 4 half-lives? Because you need, if I divide 320 divided by 80, it's going to give me 4. Or if I say 80, first half-life, 80, 80, 80, it's going to give me 320. That means we have 4 half-lives in these 320 days. That means I'm going to divide this 4 times. I hope that makes sense. So this is how I'm going to go. I'm going to start here, 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 10. The first half-life, I divide by 2, that will be 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 10. I divide by 2, that will be 1.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 10. That's the second one. I divide by 2 again, that will be 0.75 times 10 raised to the power minus 10. I divide by 2 again, this will give us 0.37, this is 15.75 times 10 raised to the power minus 10. So this is the first half-life, 80 days, the first 80 days, the second 80 days, the third 80 days, and the fourth 80 days. You see that? And I've gotten here. So my answer should be 0.375 times 10 raised to the power minus 10. Actually, this should not be minus, this should be 10. Sorry. So this should be raised to the power 10. So clean that. Now, 0.375 times 10 raised to the power 10 is the same thing as saying 3.75 times 10 raised to the power minus 1, then times 10 raised to the power 10. Because this, if I convert this to standard form, it's going to be 3.75 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. So if I apply the law of indices, minus 1 plus 10 is 9. So the final answer will be 3.75 times 10 raised to the power 9, which answer is A. Very simple, very simple. And your life does what? Change. Your life changes.